Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide your likes on X or Twitter. Here's how it is done. This works on both Android and iOS devices like iPhones or iPads. Open the Twitter app and go to your homepage where you see the regular tweets. Tap on the profile icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Support. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Next, go to Privacy and Safety within the settings. At the top of the page, you'll see Audience and Tagging. Tap on that. Under this section, you'll find the option to protect your tweets. Turn this on. Make sure the switch turns green. What this does is hide your likes from people who aren't following you. However, people who follow you will still be able to see them. If you want to stop others from seeing your likes completely, you would need to unlike everything or create a new account. That is everything you need to know about how to hide your likes on X or Twitter. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.